This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your AirPods Max with your PlayStation 5. While the PS5 does not natively support Bluetooth audio for headphones, a simple accessory makes this connection possible. We will guide you through selecting the right adapter, pairing your devices, and adjusting your console's audio settings. Get ready to enjoy high-quality sound from your favorite Apple headphones during your gaming sessions. Choosing the correct Bluetooth adapter is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Prioritize models that offer low latency to avoid any audio delay, which is vital for fast-paced games. Many excellent options are available, often connecting via a USB-C or standard USB port on your console. Some adapters even support advanced codecs like aptX low latency, providing superior sound synchronization. Once you have your adapter, the pairing process is straightforward. Simply plug the Bluetooth transmitter into any open USB port on your PlayStation 5. Next, place your AirPods Max into pairing mode by pressing and holding the noise control button until the status light flashes white. The adapter and your headphones should then connect automatically, usually confirmed by a solid light on the adapter. After successful pairing, you will need to adjust your PlayStation 5's audio settings. Go to the sound menu in your console's settings and select the USB headset as your output device. From there, you can fine-tune the volume and other audio preferences to your liking. Enjoy immersive game audio through your AirPods Max, enhancing every explosion and whispered dialogue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.